Guys, at CTK we're launching a program from this Monday. So in case you want to join us for the complete program, you can join us for the online program. Otherwise, if you want to go for only books, mock, shortcut, whichever program you want to join, just call the numbers given here and my team will be more than happy to help you out. Guys, ask this question to your mom. Mommy, can I leave job and prepare for MBA? Not for doing MBA, for preparing for MBA. MBA to next year hoga. Next 1 year, I have still 1 year for MBA, but just to prepare for the MBA, can I leave my job? Ask this question to your mom. And then you will get a reply. I don't know about your mom, but my mom will. मेरे को देखो मेरे को. I handle all the housework, all the guests. ये वो ये आदमी सिर्फ ऑफिस जाता था. मेरे को देखो this and that. I love that dialogue every time. Same dialogue. Anyway, it's obviously moms are more multitasking this and that. Then I have mummy. I'm not like you ना. I'm like my dad. गया बेचारा डैड का उसके बाद डैड की बारी. ठीक है. Anyway, coming to the point, see, moms can do multitasking. Yeah, wish if I could see. You have to make them understand in case you want to make your attend your parents, explain your parents why you want to leave your job. Here you just don't need to pass. Here you need to top. That's the fundamental issue. If you get 90 percentile, remember these two thumb rules. If you get 90 percentile in any of the main exams, yeah, 90 percentile, you are going to get 9 to 10 lakh average salary. But if you get 99 percentile, you will get a 20 lakh package. 10 lakh versus 20 lakh. And that's the difference between preparing and preparing to top the exam. So, do I need to leave job? No, you don't need to leave your job. You have to do your MBA, you don't need to leave. You can continue preparing along with the job. I've seen many students who have done that, especially repeaters. If you are a repeater, tried last year, got 70, 80, 50, 60 percentile, no problem. Don't need to repeat. You can continue with your job. Aram se you can score well. But if you're trying for the first time, yeah, if I talk about me, even I quit. Probably I started my preparation around August and I could feel that I could not study. यार मेरे से नहीं हो पा रहा था. Then I have to resign. Okay, I have to quit. Because when I started preparation, within 1 month I realized I can crack the exam. Yeah, I was from NIT Nagpur. I had cracked my engineering CET as well. So I knew that I can do it. But the problem is how much time it will take. I don't have time. I was traveling 3 hours every day. If you are based in Mumbai, imagine living in New Mumbai and traveling to Prabha Devi. New Mumbai, auto to the station, then station to Shivdi station. Shivdi station से बस लेके 3 different conveyance लेके I used to read, then walk to office. 1.5 hour going, 1.5 hour coming, and all my energy was gone. So I talked to my parents, took them into confidence, and I quit my job. Okay, so if you want to quit, what is the best time to quit the job? I would say probably around June, July. Yeah, see, it all depends on notice period as well. If you want to quit, you might be having 2 months to 3 months notice period, and that's the main problem. So what the ideal time I would say is I want you to be sitting at home for 3 months. August, September, October. These 3 months are the main months. See, November ka month really gone to mocks, revision, all these things. I don't have time to start something new in November. August, September, October. Sorry. These 3 months are the main months where you have to put your 100%. So how you want to manage, you decide. If you want to quit, it's okay to quit. No, don't worry about that. In the interviews, we'll handle that. Interview में क्या बोलूँगा? अरे बाबा तू into तक पहुँचेगा तब तो तू बोलेगा. Okay, so these 3 months are very crucial. So right now you have to manage your office notice period and all that you decide. 3 months notice, 2 months notice. For example, I put my notice on May 1. May, June, July. It'll take me 3 months ka time to get free, and then I'll come out on August 1. Yeah, then August, September, October, 3 months bingo, I can crack it, and you will crack it. When I jumped for my MBA ki nahi, I can't handle it with the job, I will quit. I quit. So I left my job. At that time, for me it was a do or die year. I already have touching 2 years of work experience. So then I could not wait for 1 more year. This was a do or die year for me. Fine. So if that's the case with you, then I was okay. If I'm not able to score too much marks, I might get 10-12 lakh college. I can't help it. I have to join because I have burnt all the bridges. Fine. On that note, don't burn the bridges. Don't quit by गाली गलौज करके मत आना. मैं बॉस को चाकू मार दिया, ऑफिस में बम फेंक दिया. Please don't do all these things. Leave amicably. Fine. by taking to confidence your boss, your HR का team as well, then in case worst case scenario, please take me back. This is what I've not done when I was leaving MBA. मैं तो पूरा 8 साल कभी नहीं आऊँगा आज के बाद. For every mock, whenever we used to score low, I used to like think like shit. वापस ना जाना पड़े यार, बहुत गाली पड़ेगी. And then when I did my MBA, after my MBA, I worked in UK. Then I quit to start CE taking in UK. When I left, I took my boss for drinks. I took my boss to drink. Yeah. Took them into confidence. I want to start I explained them my business model. This is a business plan I'm starting. What do you think about this? I took them into confidence. In fact, my boss said that I don't mind funding your business. मैं क्या अंकल गाँव बसाने लुटेरे पहले आ जाओ तुम. तो then he was convinced. Then I asked him. Then I sent my trump card. अगर ना चला after 1 year, will you take me back? I have the work permit. I've got everything for UK. Please take me back. पैर पकड़ गया मैं तो कि भाई ले लेना वापस. See, we need a backup plan, yaar. It's very good to say let's burn the bridges, let's go for the kill. But with every fall, every low mock score, every time you feel bad, you will think about that. And I don't know about you, but I want a backup plan. Fine, I can't play, this is the only thing. If you put me under pressure, I'll collapse. Fine. There are two kinds of students. One who got danda maar ke pad liya. I can't work with danda. I work with emotional thing. तो मुझे emotionally blackmail करो मैं काम कर दूंगा. ठीक है. For example, my mom wanted to make me do something, तो she started doing that thing in front of me. They were like, नहीं यार, अरे मम्मी कर रही है तो नहीं यार, I should do it. मम्मी आप जान दो, I'll do it. Fine. तो ये ऐसे करते करते मम्मी ने मेरे से बहुत कुछ करवाया. बर्तन मंजवाए हैं, झाड़ू पोछे भी लगवाए हैं. जिस दिन बाई नहीं आती तो I used to help. डंडा मार के तो कर दूंगा बाद में. बट प्यार से same way, talk to the boss, then leave your job. That would be my recommendation. Alright. So quitting, not quitting is you have to decide that. Okay. I would say in the mocks, if you're scoring 50-60 marks plus, then you don't need to quit. But if you think you can do it, then quit. Okay, money is not a big deal. Trust me, you सारी उम्र job करनी यार. Fine. Will it affect my GDPA preparation? No, it won't affect. Trust me, it won't affect because we'll be scoring more marks. Okay. Now close your eyes. Take a step back. Imagine if you would have quit. Imagine Jan ka scenario. Today, the way you are preparing, I can get X percentile. If I give you my example at that time, I can get 85, 90, 92, 93 percentile along with the job. But if I quit, I have a chance to score 90. I have a chance. Again, I don't know whether मेरा होगा कि नहीं होगा. But I have a chance to score 99%. Maybe I'll score same marks also. If you think you can do that, go for it. If you think you can spend more time, this, that, see, more, it's not like people, those who leave job, they work extra hard. I did. Last 2 months, I left in August, September, October. 2 months, I literally worked hard, worked my ass off. I think I have not studied that much even in my engineering CET also. Okay. So that was my turning point. Fine. So same way, you decide your call, take a call on that. And I'll finish my coffee. All the best. यार मलाई बहुत तंग करती है मेरे को. इधर से पीना पड़ेगा. Bye. Alright, if I missed up anything or you want me to cover up anything, please let me know in the comments and do subscribe to the channel because I'm going to upload more videos like this in the future. In case you want to join the program for books, mocks, e-classes, the numbers are given here. Call us on any of these numbers given here. All the best.